So me, oh, I can't collect loan. Those people that are collecting loan, they are really trying. But me, I can't.
Welcome to Let's Talk Show on Absent TV, a platform that's embodying to give you a lot of information on education, norms, culture, heritage, societal values, relationship, and lots of more details. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's Talk on Absent TV. Let's support you and I believe the importance of getting loan is to help promote businesses. Now, infants, businesses that are coming up, help to yield them and put them in a standard form. But the difference is the case today in this present dispensation. And what is this? A lot of people feels that going to get loan, most especially in the microfinance sector, is a body because of the end result of the management. So in today's episode on Let's Talk Show, Absent TV, we shall be discussing on a topic of what importance it is to get a loan from a microfinance bank and still yet get embarrassed. We will understand the topic in the show today. Amos,
Yeah, welcome to Let's Talk. It's not really nice when people uh get embarrassed after obtaining loan from microfinance bank. It's not really nice, and I don't think it's right for them to start accusing one wrongly. Like when you are sending to their contact that, oh, this person the fraudster is a this thing, which you know that is not. You don't need to tarnish their image because they couldn't fill up 1 week or 2 weeks.
weeks, yeah.
Yes, it's very very bad. You are there to support them. You actually create that bank, microfinance bank, to help people with their business. You are there. You get ready. You know that okay, I can help them. I know that this person has been paying up all
Yes.
this while. He's only
Okay.
missed up. Maybe he missed a week or 2 weeks. At least I think that you could just put a call through that. Hello, we haven't seen you. What happened?
Yeah.
Then when it's a person is sounding funny, then you can take the necessary step.
Yeah.
But not going around or sending text messages or going to the social media handle and like, oh, this be aware of this person is a fraudster, is bad, is that. Do you think that that kind of okay, what you have done, does it refund back the money?
And one thing, after the money has been paid, they don't go back to clear that image, that wrong impression they've given the world out there about this person. So what is the essence of still going back? What's the essence of doing that action? Like taking that step now, tarnishing the
Tarnishing
image,
the image
identity
of
of
the
the person,
person.
that person is a fraudster. Now, looking at about this aspect, now that's why we're looking at what's the importance then of going to obtain this loan and yet
In fact,
one is being
I don't
embarrassed.
know. I even heard that there's some certain group of people that if you didn't pay up, maybe you miss a week or 2 weeks, they can come to your place and flog you.
I heard about that. I heard about that. They get embarrassed, they lock you in public toilet, they just disgrace, they go to your place of work, embarrass you there, they go
Then I
to
don't
homes.
think it's necessary for us to borrow. Don't go for loan. Maybe you should just manage with what you have. Because the embarrassment is too much. I can't believe that. Okay, because I missed a week or 2 weeks, you come to my house, you carry me and start you flog. After flogging, you lock the person in public toilet and you do all kind of manners of things to the person. It's not good. It's not really nice. That is very very bad. Then I don't think going to obtain loan, then I don't think that is necessary because you can't go there. Okay, you obtain loan and you get your image tarnished. It's very very bad. Then don't do that because your image is very very important.
Okay, actually, I'll be bringing somebody else on air.
Okay.
But hearing this, we want to get to know much more details about this aspect.
Or let's hear from other people's view. Let's think.
Of course,
Let's
we
see
will do
what
that.
they think about it.
Yes.
Let's see that view.
Yeah, talking about loan and obtaining loan from microfinance bank and various learning bodies. There's nothing wrong for a business person to actually go to obtain loan from all these learning bodies or the microfinance. But what is wrong there is sometimes when people go to obtain loan from those bodies, their aim is not clearly stated. You understand? They say if a purpose of a thing is not clearly stated, the abuse is inevitable. You see, some people have actually experienced in a situation that some people have been embarrassed because of the loans that they obtained from all these microfinance bodies. And one of the reasons that I saw is because they don't have clearly stated purpose for such loans. And some people go to borrow loan to feed themselves. They will actually tell you they are using it for business, and at the end they will not meet up.
Wow.
Yeah,
We
that
just
is
had
true.
some.
That's true. That's true. I don't know why people do that. You went there to obtain a loan for business. You mean to like go for business so that business can yield more money and then you can like establish yourself. No, how will you go and get a loan for feeding? And even some people for their birthday party. How will for birthday party? Okay, where are you going to get the money back to pay? Because when you use that money for loan and for business, you get interest and all that. Then you pay back. You have your own personal money, maybe like the profits. So establish more business. But then let's hear what other views say. Let's see. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, getting a loan is not a bad thing, but you getting that loan and use it for something tangible. You understand? Not getting a loan and you get a loan, you want to use it for birthday and or maybe you want to go and use it to just club and all that. If you want to get a loan, get it for something like so as the thing that will bring you profit, that will bring you income, that will bring you money that you used to so that you can use to pay back the loan. So I don't think getting a loan is a very bad thing to me. I'm MC Pampas, God bless you.
We just heard from our viewers, the first and second viewers.
Yeah, in
in the room. It's this is actually something that a lot of people should take note of. You know, getting the loan or getting a loan for the right purpose.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people make this mistake. You go obtain loan for something that is not important. I believe the essence for loan is to help small scale business. Small business make to operation towards embarrassment. I don't see it right. I see it very, very wrong.
Very
There are procedures, there are things, there are ways, terms and conditions should also be applied in everything like that. Okay, thank you for your wonderful time at least watching this video on Let's Talk Show on Abson TV. Important.
Yeah.
And also at the same time, also always check the terms and conditions for every loan you want to access, you want to get. Regards to whatever microfinance bank you're obtaining the loan from. Okay, I still remain Great and
I am Abos.
Hope to see you on the next video.
Episode.
Please don't forget to subscribe to Abson TV.
On Abson TV.
Watch our videos.
Watch all our videos, even the old one, the new one.
Good. And all like our videos.
Like all our videos.
Share them. Share
Do
them.
share them.
And at the same time, also drop your comment on the comment box provided below.
And also click on the notification bell so I can get our latest video.
Update on every information. See you next video. Bye.